Hello everybody, my name is Katy Medrano. The course is Phonetics in English. I am going task 5, pronunciation practice. Number 1, reading. Read the following text. Try to make your best effort pronouncing the same words. Don't forget to have in mind reading, intonation, and stress. Okay. Teacher protests. The protest lasts 1 week. The teacher wants smaller class and their money. They say that there must be more staff in schools. A school say that there is not money. However, teachers don't believe that. They say that the school spend money in different things. Okay, number 2, minimal pairs. A minimal pair is a pair of words that vary by only a single sound. These sounds may confuse English learners. Then pronounce them having in mind this variation of the sound. For example, cat, pat, white, wise, right, rock, kite, night, take, steak, cough, cut, pin, bin, teal, peel, tish, fish, day, pay, deal, peel, duck, buck, day, bait, tall, call, tool, cool, tape, cape, toad, coat, coach, tone, gone, tie, guide, tap, gut, tool, go, ta, gut, table, gable, think, tail, fail, tongue, thumb, tick, big. Okay, number 3. Intonation in stress. Read the following sentence having in mind the suprasement feature. A statement with three stress. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. A statement with 4 stress. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her student a story. Statement with 5 stress. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. A special question following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest, politeness, rising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question. Rising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternatives. Question. Rising the and following intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does Jerry boost in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? The question following or raising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I showed them that should I? Should I? Commands following failing intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. That yourself. Do yourself. Ask him for help. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do yourself. Ask him for help. Recast rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence following intonation. Failing intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address, rising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Where are you? Enumerating, rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Response. I can. Cheese. He will. You should. I can. He didn't. Thank you for paying attention. Bye. See you.